Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're just looking at a few examples of vertical grips from Knight's Armament Company. So feel free to check out Knight's Arm Co. They have a large variety of items, Knight's Armament Company. And again, these are their vertical grips, or as they also call them, the full name, um, vertical forward pistol grip, I believe is what they're called. So these would be typically mounted underneath, on this case, 1913 rail system. And you see these ones have the Knight's Armament logo on them. And this one has the Titusville address as well as the cage code on them. And likewise, so do these other examples as well. These can then be mounted on, for example, the M5 RAS handguard system on the M16A4. I just happen to have an example of that handguard here. I've already gone ahead and taken off the front rail. And let's see if we can actually wiggle one of these onto here. So what I've done is I've actually threaded it or slid this onto the bottom portion of the rail system. You can position this anywhere you want for proper length of pull and balance, etc., or space accommodation for other equipment on your handguard system. And then you can close it off for comfort with another rail panel and slide that onto there. There is actually not a storage core. What happens is the core is part of the locking mechanism, and you would twist it into place, and then the grip would be secured in location. You can see there the tab that would slide into appropriate rail slot here. And give you an idea, there is a grommet O-ring, and it's basically just a pass-through cylinder for the securing core. But taking a quick look, again, some examples of Knight's Armament vertical grips. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos and a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.